Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Let's do a quick run through of my November Allure beauty box. See what we got. If you are new to the Allure beauty box, it is a monthly beauty box. It is $25. It comes with 6 products. They say you will have a value of more than $100. You can no longer get it through Amazon. You have to subscribe through Allure. They've been doing, I'll put this up as soon as possible. They've been doing all kinds of sales where if you go out over extended time, you get a lot more money off your box. We have been really liking our past Allure beauty boxes for like, I'm going to say the last 6 months because they've been really fantastic. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. We have a little sample of a Ava New York something from, oh, it's wet. Soaking, oh boy, soaking wet. Uh-oh, it all went wrong. Okay, is it fair to blame Allure? I guess. Who else would I blame? I'm not blaming me. I mean, it's literally, the paper is still soaking wet. I mean, you have paperwork to tell you what you would have had on the inside. I will see if I can, oh wow, I can't even almost open the pages. Oh no, there's good stuff in here too. Oh my goodness. So there's the Ava New York sample. It is the Main Magic 10-in-1 Shine Mask, powered by argan oil. This is just a sample. Sometimes we get those in the boxes, it's something that advertises with them, or I sometimes think maybe pays to be in the box. This smells not great. It says it gives the hair body and frizz-free shine. Looks like you used a volumizing mousse or oil. If it was full-sized, it would be 250 ml and it would be $16. We got 20 ml, so you know, $1 or $2's worth. I guess this is what leaked. It's the Arborian Skin Therapy. It is the most offensively wet thing. So, I'm not sure. Let's see if I can open it. I haven't had, I don't know that I have ever had a subscription box that was this bad. Do you guys, oh yeah, she empty. She completely empty. Well, this would have been, it brings together the best parts of an oil. So it's not just water, it's oil. Instant hydration and serum. Tons of active ingredients like soothing Centinella asiatica and antioxidant green tea in one formula that applied at night makes the skin feel smoother and bouncier by morning. This is 10 mLs. If it was full size, it would be 30 mLs and it would be $59. She a mess. Now for the good news. I think this is fine. My Anastasia Beverly Hills, whatever this is, brow definer, triangular brow pencil. She seems fine. Not even a little wet on the outside. So that's good. It is in dark brown. So I will set this aside for a giveaway because she's perfect. She's in perfect shape. That's what it looks like. But the dark brown is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is very dark. This is, I mean, I know it looks kind of dark online, but I usually buy the soft, sometimes medium brown. If it's not a super dark brown is never my color. I'm trying to read the book without touching it. It's so nasty. A lot of our editors have made room in their very crowded makeup bags to give this brow pencil a permanent spot, and when you try it, you'll quickly see why. It may just be the perfect brow pencil. It is $26, it is 2 ml, and this is a full size. I'll put it over in the not injured portion of the program. This is a Miche Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. I mean, this doesn't feel too horrible either. You would think these would be at least sticky because the book covered everything, but the book must have absorbed most of it. It says the formula in this little black bottle makes an excellent argument for adding mousse to your daily routine. It spreads easily and gives hair tons of body. After showering, rake a little through damp hair, then style as usual. $23 for 7.5 ounces. This is 2 ounces. So that is another trial size. It is amazing to me how that bottle is completely empty. The box it is in is completely soaked. The paper thing about halfway up, all the way around, all the way through, completely nasty. But like that Anastasia box or this one, it's like there's never been anything on it. I mean, how is that even possible? What is it? I have no idea. Oh, I can't even get these pages apart. This is not my hydrating cream. Why you'll love it. You may not have heard of keratin yet, but it's a plant growth factor that can help moisturize and improve skin tone. In this Obagi cream, the namesake ingredient is paired with another all-star brightener, ascorbic acid. Oh, that's vitamin C. That's an especially effective pure form of vitamin C, beloved by dermatologists. This is full-sized, it is 50 ml, and it has a $62 value. I will put it in our box to pass along because, is it sealed? Yeah, it's sealed. Guys, I'm gonna leave it sealed so you'll know I was never in there. I can't use a vitamin C. It's like, eats my face right on off. But the box is perfect, so yay. Next out, we have a Kylie. Is this a good box? Yeah, this is also a box with nothing wrong with it. How did this even happen? There are no stains. Yeah, I don't know how this happened. There are no stains on the bottom of the box. They're all on the top of the box. I don't know. The Kylie is the matte liquid lipstick in Another Day, Another Nude. I'm just telling you right now, we're going to pass this along. I look horrible in nudes. I just put one on from a different video over some of my red, and $21 for 0.1 ounces. This velvety liquid lipstick goes on easily, wears comfortably, and gives lips full coverage that's matte, opaque, and intense. I will show you the color through the bottle. Yeah, no. Looks like a concealer. That would be horrible, atrocious. We need a thesaurus right now. We need all of the words for, oh, she looked bad. It would not be great for me. Okay. And last out, and also, oh yeah, no, the box is nasty on this. I was gonna say also unmoved, but you can see the front of the box on this one. Took a hit. It is Fenty. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a fragrance. Oh, is this the one that we could have picked in our Fabfitfun? Fenty Fragrance Eau de Parfum Travel Spray. Why you'll love it. The kind of fragrance you'll want to cozy up with in the winter. This blend of warm musk and rose with a touch of wintry tangerine, I think that is the Fabfitfun one, feels as comfy and seems as expensive as the perfect cashmere sweater. You know, the kind Rihanna would wear. So it would be $140 if it was full size 75 ml. And we have 10 ml. So it's like $15-ish worth. Sure, let's go with that. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, it's like it's a box in a box. So I don't think it got to it. Oh, that's cool. Shall we try it? It would be nice to kill the smell of this stuff. This Herborian therapy stuff. Oh yeah, it's not even, oh, it's broken. Oh, it broke. I thought it had just come undone, but that whole that whole top just separated from the tightening place. Okay, let's try it. Oh, that was a lot. I am using all of my Muse fragrances, and the original is, oh, that is nice. I did not anticipate liking this much. The original is still my favorite. I like the one we got in our Fabfitfun. What was it? I'm thinking here. I'm tapping my hands like I'm buying time. Dang it. It was the floral one though. So it's not my favorite of my Muses, but it's still very nice. This is spectacular. I like this. Smells like an old school posh. It's not. It is not the same scent, and you're probably going to have to be a certain age for this to even mean anything to you. It takes me back to Halston. Or also, this smells nothing like what I'm getting ready to say. I'm just trying to put you in a headspace. Is my wrist burning? I'm trying to put you in a I'm trying to put you in a headspace, not necessarily a scent space. I think my wrist is burning. I have never in my life had that happen with a perfume. Sorry. Estee Lauder Youth Dew. Sorry, I just stop for a second and collect myself. The headspace of the Estee Lauder Youth Dew, that's where this takes me. Kind of in that Halston Youth Dew space. I can't wear it because I am not imagining the slight burning that I'm gonna go wash up. We're at the end of this video, so we'll just finish it up. But I'm not imagining it. It is, my wrist is burning. Well, that's different. Thank you so much for coming by. This was kind of a catastrophe of a video of a box. Things are going to happen. When you're shipping 1 million products to my house, something is going to happen. This skin therapy broke and it just got on different things. Several of the things are just fine. I can pass along or use. A couple of the things are not. I'm just gonna, I'm probably not going to pass this along. I will set it aside. This is so distracted. I'm so sorry. Anyway, it's still a great box. If nothing had been broken and everything had gone as planned, we have Fenty, we have Anastasia Beverly Hills, we have a nice moisturizer, we have a hair mousse, we have the Fenty perfume that I am sure 99.9999% of people can use with absolutely no issue. Up until I realized it was burning my wrist, it smells fantastic. I enjoy the smell. If I walked by somebody that smelled like that, I would think, oh, she smells good. Thank you so much for coming by. If you will consider subscribing, if you don't already subscribe, please give us a thumbs up, help us out there in the algorithms, and I'm gonna go wash up. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.